Good morning. Today we are in Luwuk and I have rented a scooter for today. I have driven about, not even that far, probably like 20 minutes from my homestay, and I am at Piala Waterfall. Here it is. As you can see, it is absolutely stunning. I'm going to walk up to the bridge and see what it looks like from up there, but honestly this is like the easiest waterfall to come to, so I thought it was going to be a little bit disappointing, can't lie, but I have to say so far it definitely isn't, and I don't know if I actually need to go to other waterfalls when this is so perfect. So I have climbed to the top of the waterfall. It's a very easy walk, you can do it no matter your agility, and it is absolutely stunning, as I've said many times. I met some people that I actually met in Lemi and they flew the drone over for me, so I might get a video of me on the waterfall, so if I do and it's any good I'll put that in. But yeah, it's absolutely stunning, but I am going to go to one more waterfall because they said they went there yesterday and it was even better than this one, so I'm going to take some more time to appreciate this one and then I'm going to head there next. So my next stop is another waterfall, as I said, and I am alone and it is stunning. Let me show you. So to get here it took about 45 minutes from the last one, and the road was really nice until you get to like this dirt road. It is literally a dirt road. There is no signage at all. And I missed it the first time, and then I came back and I was like, okay, there must be a road. Went into someone's field. Third time though, I found it. You park at the top and then you walk down. Unfortunately it did rain a lot last night, so it was very slippery, but we are here. It's stunning. I'm not going to swim here because I'm going to go to the beach next and I don't want to drive wet because then I'll get cold. But I am trying to get the drone to work because I'm going to try and be brave and fly it through the trees. But it's not connecting at the minute, so we'll see if that happens. But yeah, it's an absolutely amazing waterfall and I definitely recommend. I'm going to put the names for all of the waterfalls in the description because I cannot remember them all. But yeah. So I will see you at the beach.
So I am back in the room. I did go to the Kilo 5 beach to try and find the snorkel dive spot. However, the sea was like right up against the wall and the only place I could find to get in were like ladders in restaurants. So I decided to skip it for today, and when I come back to Luwuk, I will try again. So this video will now go to when I'm back in Luwuk and trying again. Okay, so we have jumped to Chloe in the future. As you can tell, I am home. So what happened? I went back to Luwuk, but in the end I ended up flying from the Banggai Islands, which you will see in the next video, which meant that I got back to Luwuk later. But if you do want to go into the Kilo 5 beach, you will see in the very short clip that there is a ladder that comes from the restaurants, and all the restaurants on the main road have basically taken over where the beach used to be. So to enter the beach you either have to climb through the restaurant, or there is one part of the brick wall that apparently has public access. However, I couldn't find it, but it should be behind the actual Kilo 5 sign. Everyone that did go said the reef was actually really good because they've planted statues for you to snorkel there, so there's a lot of fish and stuff. If I get the chance to go back, I will do it and I will try and find somewhere to do it. But yeah, that is the end of this video. It is very short because in the end, when I was at that second waterfall, while connecting my phone to the drone, the phone turned off. So I didn't put it in, but I actually ended up going back to my guest house between the second waterfall and the beach because I had no phone. I had to work out how to get there from just memory because obviously no one speaks English as well. So yeah, that is why this video is very short, because I couldn't do much because for like 2 hours I was just basically in panic mode because my phone was not turning on, and like it had all the WhatsApp numbers for everyone I needed to contact for the rest of the trip. It had all the pictures, all the maps, everything.
But yeah, in the end, good news is the phone did turn back on. Don't know why. It connected to the drone the next time I used it as well, so technical issue I guess. But yeah, that is the end of this video. It is incredibly short, but I do hope you still enjoyed. I do recommend those 2 waterfalls if you have the chance. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one, which will be longer because it will be on Banggai Luwuk, which will actually be my last video in Indonesia before I go back to Europe for the summer. So if you want to see that, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you then.